Hey guys. Okay. So I have been gone for an entire year off of YouTube. A whole year, y'all. And honestly, a lot has happened. I didn't just disappear off the face of this earth. But today I am going to fill you in on everything that I've been doing over the last year. So here's what actually happened, y'all. While I was away from YouTube, I was still working, y'all. I wasn't just sitting on my couch doing nothing, but I was just working in a completely different direction, if that makes sense. But we'll get into all of that. I actually launched my own workshops, y'all. I started hosting vision board parties. I did 6 vision board parties to be exact. And y'all, I even dropped my own stationery and sticker shop. I mean, I'm so proud of all of what I've been doing. I'm just so proud of myself. Everything that I was building while I was away from YouTube for a year ties directly back to what my channel was all about, y'all. It's about planning your life, getting organized, showing up for yourself, pushing yourself, putting yourself out there. And I was doing all those things, except I was not ready to share it with you all just yet. But for months, I kept telling myself, I need to get back on YouTube. I need to get back on YouTube. But I wasn't ready enough, even though I had so many things to talk to y'all about. I had so many things I wanted to share with y'all, but I just kept putting it off because, life be lifing and other things just came into play and YouTube kept falling to the bottom of my to-do list. Now, I know y'all are wondering, girl, what happened? Just let us know what happened, right? So there were a few reasons why I fell off of YouTube. Number one, I had no social media system, right? And y'all, I'm a planning girl with a whole planning and organizing channel, and I had zero plans for actually running my channel. I didn't plan out my content. It was so hard to keep up with, and for me, it started to become very overwhelming, right? So I didn't plan out my content or videos because, as you know, if you don't have a plan, you plan to fail. So that was my first reason as to why I fell off from my YouTube channel. Secondly, I was overthinking everything, y'all. Every video idea, every title, every thumbnail, every script. I would sit down to begin the film, and then I would just talk myself right out of it, like, oh, I'll do it tomorrow. Oh, I'll do it next week. I got too much going on right now. Let me just stop here and just do something else because I was just getting so frustrated. Then I was thinking, is it good enough? Like I said earlier, is it the right topic? What if nobody watches, right? Because who wants to put stuff out there and no one watch your videos? Y'all, I'm an introvert. So then I was like, I'm more of a behind the scenes kind of person. I don't want to be on camera. So y'all, the overthinking was real. And the third reason that I want to talk about is the fact that I started to lose my why. Like, why am I doing this? I got a whole civilian job that pays me very well. I'm retired from the Air Force, 20 years, and I'm also a disabled veteran. Why am I putting myself through this? Why? This is too much. So, when it comes to me losing my why, I felt like, well, I mean, I'm not getting paid off of YouTube. This is a passion for me. I enjoy talking about these things. But at the same time, why am I putting myself through this additional stress on top of my everyday life? I had so much going on top of everything that I was building on the side for my business. And the actual process of creating a YouTube video was really starting to get to me. I was getting very overwhelmed um, between all the filming, the editing, writing the scripts, creating the thumbnail, figuring out what I needed to be talking about. It was just stressing me out bad. But when something you want it to be fun and also your passion to talk about starts feeling like a daunting task on your to-do list, and you weren't getting the viewer outcomes that you wanted, so I started to lose sight of why I even started. And for me, I felt like something just had to go. It was my YouTube. So I started this channel because I genuinely want to help people get more organized and live balanced lives. Not to chase numbers, not to film on a schedule that was burning me out, but to actually help people. So stepping back wasn't me quitting per se, it was me trying to protect my peace and my sanity so that I could come back at the right time, so that I could come back when I felt like I could do it without it feeling like it was going to be dreadful. Um, so that's exactly what I did. I took that year off to do other things and focus on other aspects of my business. And I am back to redeem myself and get back to my subscribers and help put out videos and information that will help people live a more harmonious life. So while I was away from YouTube, I wasn't just sitting on my ass, y'all. I was working on other parts of my business that I wanted to pursue. So what did D do? I launched my workshops, y'all. I had a organizing or planning workshop. I hosted 5 vision board parties, and I recently opened up, y'all, my stationery and sticker shop, which, if you know me, you know that this has been a dream of mine for a very long time because I love stationery, I love stickers, I love pens, I love paper. And all of those things, y'all, the workshops, the party, the vision board parties, my stationery shop, it came from the same thing that I always talk about on my channel: planning, organizing, executing, right? I mean, I am a don't just talk about it, but be about it kind of person, right? So in a weird but good kind of way, stepping away from YouTube gave me the space to actually live what I preach. And I want to bring all of that back to you all. So this past year, I pretty much tapped into almost every part of my business plan except for the private coaching. But everything else, y'all, I went full throttle. And let's just say, since I opened up my stationery shop and did this 2-day vendor event at the volleyball tournament, all of this within 15 days, I made over $800. And I'll be doing a video soon to discuss that topic. So make sure you subscribe so that you can get notification when I put that video out. But now it's just really figuring out what actually works, what's really worth my time, because I make a whole lot of money sitting on my ass. So I need to figure out what's worth my time and where do I need to focus more of my attention on going forward. And speaking of subscribing, real quick, y'all, if you are new here, welcome to D Plans It All. I am so glad you found my channel. And if you've been here before, thank you for still being here, for real, y'all. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss what's coming next, because I have a lot planned for us. So let's keep it going. So what's next for D Plans It All? So here's what I want to do differently this time around. I want to come back into the YouTube space with less pressure on myself. I want to have more fun and show people more ways that they can live a more balanced and productive and harmonious lifestyle. Because that's really, y'all, what this channel has been about. That's really why I created this channel from the start. I'm going to also be pulling back the curtain a little bit more on the business side of things. So I'll be talking more about my workshops and how to do a workshop. I'm going to be talking about how to build your own stationery shop, how to create those stickers, how to make those notepads. So if you wanted to create your own sticker shop or stationery shop, you have me to help guide you with that. And how I created I mean, all of my business products using Canva, because I know a lot of y'all out there um, have your own dreams and goals, and I want to help you plan for those as well. And to be honest, I missed you guys. So I'm super duper duper excited to get back on here and show you all the new things that I have in store. And if you have been riding with me since the beginning, drop a comment below and say, "Hey girl, I'm still here and welcome back." And if you are new, don't be shy, introduce yourself. It will seriously make my day. Oh, and please, please, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.